If you're experiencing login errors on Instagram, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify common problems and provide solutions. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Step 2. Verify your username and password. Double check that you are entering the correct username and password. Pay attention to capitalization and any special characters. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Step 3. Update the Instagram app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Instagram app. Go to your device's App Store, search for Instagram, and check for any available updates. Installing the latest version can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clear app cache and data. If you are using the app, clearing the cache and data can help resolve login issues. Go to your device's settings, find Instagram in the app list, and select the option to clear cache and data. Restart the app and try logging in again. Step 5. Check for account issues. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors on Instagram. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Instagram support for further assistance.